In today's video, we are going to share some of the best standing exercises to burn belly fat, which you can do even at home without any equipments. Before we go ahead with these easy exercises, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Let's start. 1. Toe touch. Stand straight while maintaining a straight spine with your feet together. Inhale deeply and raise your arms overhead. Gently stretch and bend down to touch your toes as you exhale. Hold the pose for 10 to 15 seconds and follow the reverse steps. Do 3 sets. Tip: if you are not looking for easy standing exercises, you can also try toe touch modifications such as alternate toe touches or sitting toe touches. 2. March with twist. Stand straight with a hip width distance between the legs. Your arms should be overhead. Now, inhale and lift leg left. Twist your waist and touch the right elbow with left knee. Quickly return the leg and hand back to the initial position. Repeat the same twisting movement with your right leg and left elbow. Do this for at least 1 minute. 3. Front leg raise. Stand straight and keep your hands on the waist or just hold onto a chair or wall for support. Now, raise your right leg forward so that it reaches the level of your abdomen. Hold for a second and lower the leg. Then raise the left leg to the same level and lower it. Keep alternating the legs at least 10 times. Do about 3 sets. Tip: to make this exercise for beginners a bit more challenging, try to touch your toes as you raise them. Use alternate hands to touch the toes. 4. Standing hip abduction. Stand straight with a shoulder-wide distance between your feet. You can have a chair or wall for support. Engage your core and lift your left leg out to the side of your body and then return. Repeat the movement with the right leg. Do 2 sets of 10 reps. 5. Side bend. Stand tall with feet and legs together and reach both arms straight up overhead as you inhale. Lower your right arm down the right side of your body and exhale as you lengthen the left arm over the head, bending body gently to the right. Inhale to return arms overhead to center and exhale as you repeat on the left side. Try this easy workouts and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.